found that the partnership that is very, very interesting, and I have personally became interested in it, is something that we call a co-opetition. Basically partnering with somebody within the same industry as you and do similar work. And I'm going to use the word similar because nobody does exactly what you do. Everybody has a niche, everybody has a value. So when I'm going to say my biggest value customer at this point is somebody who on the face might look like a competition to us, but they're not. They found what we do best and we found what they do best, and we work together. They are our partner and our client, and in some cases our supplier. So the one piece of advice, if you want to take from what I just said, is talk to your competition and see what they do and see how you can complement each other. Because you're special, you do something special, and they may look like competition to you, but when you both grow your market, it's beneficial for both of you.
Thank you very much, appreciate that.